we are looking at this Supra, and we are like an hour away, if you can see that. And there's just this.
Oh, he's pulling up. He's fine.
Oh my god! I feel like he's not.
Oh my
fine.
god!
I feel like they're not fine. Oh, that's not funny. Anyway, well, after a long ass drive, I was editing my video the whole time. I actually was also on a call with one of the people from my Discord, and I helped him out the other day, and he just did a 10 rows day. I'm like, what the fuck? So he's scaling now. That's insane. But we're at Toyota, and we're gonna go look at the Supra. It's a gray 2.0 premium. It is one owner, clean title, like 8,000 miles on it. It's honestly a pretty good deal in my opinion. Like 55. I don't know, but we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna see how it is. We might test drive it. I don't know, or he might test drive it because it's for him, not for me. It is his world. I'm just living in it. Anyways, yeah, let's go look at this car. All right, let's go look at a Supra. Whenever someone sees two kids walking through the dealership, they always just assume we're trying to get like a test drive, but we literally drove over like an hour and a half for this, so they better actually like. Otherwise, I'm gonna. Oh, look at this Tesla! Holy, bro, he got the lip and the lowering kit and the rims. Holy shit! Boys, Tesla coming soon. No, just kidding. That low-key was actually one of the cleanest Teslas I've seen. I've seen some crazy, yeah, I've seen some crazy Teslas, but that one was actually cool. Wow, it's very nice. Honestly, what?
I like it.
Yeah, the one thing about the other one I'd say is it has better rims in this one. But you can always switch those out.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like it.
So this is a wrap, but it's really well wrapped. Like they did not leave any marks anywhere. And it looks really nice, honestly. I would keep this. I think it looks very nice. There you go. Am I tripping, or is it just the same color but different? Wait.
Is this PPF?
This is one part where they fucked it up a little bit, but like that's just an inlay. So I mean, it looks. I gotta learn, bro. Damn. My wrap job does not look this good. It looks alright, but not this good. Actually, it doesn't look that good, but mine. It's first wrap. Well, anyways, we are talking the numbers now. It looks pretty good. There's one dent, and then also they say it's a wrap, but I'm pretty sure it's just full PPF. We're gonna hope that it is, because we could see parts of it peeling. It looks like it's just a matte PPF, so yeah, that'll be really good, because that's like really expensive. And they're like, oh yeah, it was a car guy, so he did all the wrapping himself. But yeah, other than that, there's one small dent. The carbon's peeling a little bit, but it looks to be pretty good. I mean, all right, so he just found a price that he likes, and then we're gonna try to negotiate with him. It's probably not gonna be a today thing, but maybe like tomorrow thing, maybe next week thing, maybe it won't happen kind of thing, but it might happen. But anyway, so there's one at this other dealership, and they close at 9. If we were to leave 2 minutes ago, we would get there at 9:05. So we're gonna call them and see if we can look at it really fast, just to see, because you know we're closer to that direction anyways. And if we went tomorrow, then we would have to drive like an hour and 45 with no traffic compared to 45 with no traffic. So it's like an hour extra. Yeah, we're gonna go look, maybe.
You with our sales department.
Thank you.
Thanks for shopping at CarMax.
We're supposed to dial sound.
So what do you mean it's ringing now?
Good evening. Thank you for calling CarMax. My name is Manny. With whom do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Oh, Wesley?
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
My bad, I apologize.
What? That's okay. See, now I'm gonna start laughing. It's like infectious. I'm sorry.
No, you're all good, I'm sorry.
No, thank you for calling in. How may I assist you? I told you, I can't stop.
I'm so sorry. Okay, I was just wanting to inquire about you guys' 2020 Supra that you got like literally, I think a few days ago, or maybe even today. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I just saw it on your website.
Okay, and you said, let me pull this up. You said it was a 2020. Let's see what I can find here. Okay. Okay, where is it? Let's see here. Give me one moment here. Okay. Have you been kind of watching for this exact one to hit the website?
Not this exact one, but yeah, I've been looking for Supras for a good minute now, so.
Oh, nice. Okay, let's see here. Try to find this beauty. All right. Supra. Yeah, love a good Supra. Okay, let's see.
Like, can we come in? Because if we left right now, we get there like 8 minutes late. And I was just wondering if we could go there a little bit late and maybe still check it out, just because we're in the area.
Oh, yeah. Usually, here she is. I got her. Oh, God, this is gorgeous. 2020 Toyota Supra 3.0. This thing is gorgeous. I found her. Okay,
Awesome.
oop.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Awesome. Thank you for the call. Sorry about the giggle fit, too.
No worries. No
apologize.
worries. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Have a nice night. Thank you. So there's this other one that closes at approximately 9 p.m. We're getting there at 9:02. We did call them and it's okay, so we're gonna go look at Supra number 3 of the week, actually. Supra number 3 for this week. And it has a weird ass wrap on it, but underneath it should be good. The price is good. Everything looks good. So we're going a little bit and yeah, I'm getting tired. I'm getting hungry, bro. I need some hot pot.
Coming closer, know that I'm a mess. Tangled up in wires, I can't catch my breath. I run. Falling deeper.
So this is a dealership, except for they said it's across from Tesla, which is, why is this dealership so big? It goes all the way over there, and I still don't see Tesla. Uh-oh. Anyways, I'm gonna do.
Across from Tesla, right here.
Well, I guess it's a pre-owned lot, right? Is this Toyota? Yeah, it is Toyota. Look at that.
Owns
Look
the
at that.
biggest dealership ever.
You turn in there.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, he says it's in the showroom. Well, here is the Supra. You can see what, yeah, the wrap is. It's honestly, I've never seen this wrap in person, but underneath all this stuff, it is yellow. So there's also that. I think it looks nice. Got the yellow, everything else looks, yeah, everything looks pretty good. The one thing though is like, the wrap quality is like, you can see what happened to the wrap. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with it though. There you go. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. So what do you think?
I want to see without the wrap.
All right, that one I think went much better. Bro, imagine matching midnight purple. I'm selling my car soon. Hey, anyone that wants my car, buy it. It's like, it's for $98,900.
I'll buy it for like 50.
I've been trapped. Therefore,
Your phone's still plugged in, by the way.
uh-oh. All good.
Wait, that was not.
What?
I'm holding your phone. What am I talking? We're gonna try a woodier mushroom.
That's good. Anyways, we got a hot pot and we're about to eat, and it's like almost, what time is it right now? Wait, what time? I have to post a video. What time is it? It's like 11 something, I think, or like 10 something. So I gotta post it in the car on the way home. It's gonna be risky, but anyways, here is our food. So we got ice cream and boba. That's crazy. It wasn't more than if we just got the hot pot. Like, it was complimentary, I guess, which is cool. It's cool.
Happy hour.
Happy hour should not be this late, bro. It's like 11 o'clock.
Oh, you said happy hour.
Yeah. 13 minutes left till upload. 12 minutes left. And there is 13 minutes till it's the next day. It is day 2, and boys, I hear a certain somebody outside of my house. I feel like I know what this is. Hello.
Oh, that's so nice.
Hello.
Wow.
Good.
Supra.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, dude.
Look at that
So tired.
color.
How does it? How? Oh.
Why are you left hand?
Because
Hello?
I'm sorry. No, you're right.
This
You're
is
right.
so pretty.
How does it feel?
Very good, very good.
Whoa.
Oh my god, it's hot in there though.
It's nice.
Look at carbon.
Wow. That's crazy, bro. I was gonna get this car before I got the McLaren, so I'm like, this has been a dream car for a while. Do I get to go and drive?
Yeah.
Are you in a rush?
No.
Really?
Completely free.
You happy?
I'm so happy.
Oh. 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 Ah.
It takes a few tries.
Wow.
Hey.
All right. Oh. Little possum. Oh, by the way, my car doesn't pop at all for shit. Never.
Except if you really, really downshifted.
Or if I tune it, which might be coming soon. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait, it's kind of crazy. Oh my god. Do you know where we're going?
No clue.
We don't have a destination. We're just driving to drive, I guess. Oh, it sounds pretty nice. All right, we're going on the canyons, I guess. This is day 1 of ownership.
Actually, like 2 hours of ownership.
2 hours of ownership. All right. Oh my god. Shit. God damn.
That's decent sounding for stock.
That actually sounds not that bad. Holy shit.
You gotta remember, it's full stock right now.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not running.
We're running Snake. Let's go.
Let's check. Bombing the
What is he doing?
Hello?
What is he doing?
What that was?
Romeo. Holy shit.
That place is nice.
And we're gonna die. And we're gonna die. And we're gonna die. And we're
Have
dead.
more faith in
And
me.
we're dead.
Have more.
Yup.
This thing, it handles good.
It does handle pretty
It
nice.
carbs really nicely.
It does. 15 miles per hour. What are we doing? 34, 35.
We'll go like 30.
And we're gonna die.
The tires aren't even squealing.
I know.
Chill.
Yeah. This thing is pretty cool. Look at that.
That's what the most dynos.
Holy. Horses! Let's sell our cars and buy horses.
No, I'm not a fan of that idea.
I think we sell our cars and
You
buy
can just
horses.
buy a horse.
Bro, imagine we
You don't have to sell
Dude,
the
imagine
car.
a canyon run in a fucking horse or on a horse
Yeah, it would be
instead
an
of in a
actual
car.
run.
That exactly. That should be so cool. It would be cool. I'm thinking me and a few of my friends that like have nice cars. We all sell our nice cars and we buy horses and we just do canyon runs.
I
Bro,
don't want to sell my
would be
car.
crazy. GT3 RS. Okay.
On a Friday afternoon.
It sounds actually really nice. We have returned. What do you? Well, I don't know. I'm asking what you think. I thought it was
think it's
cool.
good.
I think it's pretty cool. It's
my car,
it's okay.
How do I lock the doors?
Uh oh. All right, thank you. Wow, it's a Supra. That's actually pretty sick. It's pretty cool. Damn, that thing looks nice, bro. I want to show y'all just how cool this car is. So we're gonna go to Malibu and get some pictures taken on the beach, bro. It's gonna be nice. Get some rollers. Just stay tuned, y'all. You're not gonna want to miss this. And then I'm gonna give y'all some knowledge on how he affords a GTR, an RA, and a Supra. And I'm gonna show you guys how I afford this McLaren that I'm sitting in right now, and a 720S very, very soon, or potentially an Aventador. Let's go. Holy shit, bro! I fucking love this car! This is crazy! Oh my god. Well, we have arrived. Uh-oh. Bro cannot park. Oh. He's in the lines. What do you got here?
E58.
What brand is this?
See Toyota 100%.
What brand is this?
BMW.
We about to film some rollers.
Won't you give that shit a rest? Said you needed love, but you're only here for sex. And and I'm dying to be next. Killed me once before.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna be honest, what both me and him do is we dropship. I'm just gonna be straight up, I'm not gonna elaborate on it. We dropship. Alright, if you guys want to learn more, I have a link in my description. It's for my Discord. It's completely free. It's not a course. I'm not selling you guys anything. It's literally just a Discord. I post free tutorials on there. You guys can ask me questions, everything like that. So super simple, super easy. Go join, and whoever makes the most amount of money in the next 6 months on a new store, I'm giving away $3,000 to them just because. So go up, join up, and make a lot of money. I'll see you guys in the next video.